I don't get the point of white on roller skates.
Hello, this is my partner, Chantal. What we're going to do now with Chantal, we have a cannon here. We are going to put Chantal in there. I don't want to go in the cannon! I don't want to go in the cannon. You've got to go in the cannon, too.
He's opening his mouth.
Well, I don't like it. I don't want to go in there.
I've got a cannon!
So get in there, Chantal. I don't want to go in the cannon! I don't want to go in the cannon! Hang on, Chantal. I'm going to explain to you what happens is, cannon fires, Ant and Dec are going to throw 2 packs of half a card towards Chantal, and she catches a card that was selected earlier. What was the card that was selected earlier?
Ace of Hearts.
The Ace of Hearts was selected earlier. She fires out the cannon, and she'll grab that card. And this will really impress you, OK? Stand here. That's it, thank you. That's OK. I'll say when. Ready?
Yeah. Okay. She looks in pain. Chantal, are you happy for us to do this? Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Steady. Go. Hang on a minute.
What do you mean? Hang on a minute.
OK, so if you'd like to hold that, please. 1 second. 1 second. Wait a minute, I've got to get this off here. Cut this bit out, right? Ready, steady, go!
Stop it now, for goodness sake.
Waving it, ladies and gentlemen. And there is the card that she selected, the Ace of Hearts.